In this video, I'll show you how to use Make.com to connect Shopify. First, open Make.com on your computer and log into your account. Next, go to the dashboard and click on Create a new scenario. Now click the plus button to add your first module and search for Shopify. Select Shopify as your app and choose a trigger like watch orders or watch products depending on what you want to automate. After that, click Add Connection and log into your Shopify store account. You will need to give Make.com permission to access your store data so it can sync information like orders, customers, or products. Next, once the connection is approved, configure your trigger settings. Choose what data you want to monitor, such as new orders, updated products, or abandoned checkouts. Now add the next module in your scenario. This is where you decide what happens after Shopify sends data. For example, you can send data to Google Sheets, email notifications, or other apps. After that, test your scenario by running it once. Make sure the data is flowing correctly from Shopify into Make.com without errors. Finally, turn on your scenario so it runs automatically in the background whenever new events happen in your Shopify store. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Make.com to connect Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.